the SoundPEATS Air3. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Air3 earbuds by SoundPEATS. They have a semi-in-ear design. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide and Type-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 5 hours of listening time, 17.5 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.2 and the Qualcomm 3040 chipset, aptX adaptive and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction, 14.2mm drivers, and a low latency game mode, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. Taking a look at the case, it has a compact and slim design. It has a simple look with a matte finish all around. On the front of the case, you have the status LED and pairing button. The bottom has a USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. I did find the earbuds a bit hard to remove from the case. They're recessed a bit deep and there's not enough room to grip it. You also have the ear indicators etched in inside. The earbuds have a stem design with a matte finish all around just like the case. The inner part of the stem has the ear markings. The outer face has the branding along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, microphones, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps or a long press to navigate playback and calls. The case comes in at 1.9 by 0.8 by 1.8 inches. It weighs in at 24 grams and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder. Had me going ever once I told you no. Told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier. Play my part, boy, I had to hold you down. Hold it down.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS Air3 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were very comfortable due to the semi-in-ear design. You don't get pressure in your ear canals and you can definitely wear them for extended periods of time. They are lightweight and it felt secure. Build-in quality is decent for what you would expect at this price point. The case has a simple look and feel. They feel durable along with the earbuds. The earbuds don't protrude out and sit flush when seated in your ears. I found the touch controls not as responsive and I found myself tapping multiple times to get the right function. Battery life is fair at 5 hours and 17.5 hours with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging or ANC. Now when it comes to sound, I was very impressed. Starting off with the bass, it had a nice punch and it comes in deep and tight. Something I didn't expect from the semi-in-ear design. Mids and highs come in clean and clear and there's good separation. Crisp and balanced sounds and a very pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, I found the earbuds performed well, especially at this price point. This ranks up there with some of the semi-in-ear design earbuds that I have tested in the past. This is definitely something you should have on your list if you're looking for this style and design. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS Air3 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.